How to use Astra theme and Elementor for WordPress beginners tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, you will learn how to build WordPress website with Astra theme and Elementor in just a few minutes. So before anything else, what is Astra theme? Astra is one of the fastest, flexible, and free WordPress theme that is intuitive and offers deeper integration. The themes lets you easily import dozens of professional looking website designs, and there's a good selection of free plugins that extend functionality. With unique features and countless customization, you can build a store that matches your brand or any other website. And Elementor is a visual WordPress website builder that replaces the basic WordPress editor with a live front-end editor. So you can create complex layout visually and design your website live without having to switch between the editor and the preview mode. It will gives you a drag and drop page builder for WordPress. This plugin helps you create beautiful pages using a visual editor, and it designs for you to build dynamic websites quickly. So to start with, make sure that you created your WordPress account already. So to create an account is just very simple. You just need to follow their guide. So the first step that you need to do or to get is hosting and domain. So hosting is the place where your website will be stored so people can access it online. And the domain is your website's address, like for example, yourwebsite.com or mywebsite.com. That is the web domain address. And here are some of the hosting and domain provider that WordPress best recommended. And here, Bluehost is one of the best option for hosting and domain provider. But Bluehost is not for free. Their plan starts at $2.95 per month, and that is discounted price from original price of $8.99. And from this plan, you'll get free domain registration, free SSL certificate, automatic WordPress install, and 24/7 support. So for this video, I will just skip this step, getting host and domain, since it requires as a payment. But for you guys, you may go ahead and get that plan for you to get hosting and your own web domain address. So I will just go ahead and proceed with the second step, log into my WordPress. So simply visit wordpress.com and log in. If you don't have an account yet, again, it's very simple to create an account. Just sign up for free and then follow the easy step guide to sign up. So here I just log in to my WordPress account, and here I have my existing site. And this one, I created this before, but let me go back here to our dashboard. And from your left sidebar down here, you can create or add new site. And here you can create your own domain or enter the domain address that you already own. Once done, you'll be asked about the website that you want to create, and you will be choosing website templates to start your website design. So here, since I already started a website, I will just gonna make use of it since I can only have one domain for a free account. So let me go back and I will visit my site here. So I already have my own domain. However, from my domain address, there is a WordPress.com included since I am using the free domain only. So this is the website that I created before. It's a portfolio website. So this is what it looks like. And then the next thing that we will be doing is that we will be installing a new theme for our WordPress website. And installing a new WordPress theme will make our website much better. And the theme that we will be installing is Astra theme and Elementor, because these two features has dozens of free designs for you to choose from, and it will make your website look so much better. So to do it, first let's go back to our main dashboard, and over here from your left sidebars, look for plugin. And here, as you can see, they are asking to upgrade to premium plan for us to make use or install more plugin. So everything here is not for free. And if I search for Astra here, you can see the results. We have the starter templates with Elementor, Astra widget, Astra hooks, and more. But also, as you can see it here, you may get these plugins for free, but it requires user to upgrade to paid plan or pro plan. So I will not gonna do that. So for us to make everything for free, we have different option here that we can do. So let's go to pantheon.io for us to get WordPress for free. So simply sign up, go to sign up for free, and then just provide your name, your email, and then create password here. And don't forget to check these two boxes and click on sign up. And to create a free account, we need to also connect our Google account. Then here, welcome to Pantheon. You have two options to create new site or migrate your existing site. I will just go ahead and select the new site, then provide your Pantheon site here and select region and click on continue. Then you choose your CMS from WordPress, Drupal with Composer, or Drupal 7. I will go ahead and choose WordPress and I will click on deploy. And the deploy may take a little time, so just wait for it to finish. And once completed, just go ahead and click on Visit Your Pantheon site dashboard. Then here you can click on Visit Development Site or Site Admin, either of the two. They are the same. So let me click on this. And here just select your language and then just provide the needed information for your WordPress. Then hit on Install WordPress. And with that, we are done. So we just need to log in using the information that we provided earlier. And now here's the dashboard. As you can see here for plugins, we have option to add new. And here, as you can see, all the plugins now showing install now and update now. So there is no need for you to upgrade your plan or pay for anything. So I will go ahead and update this one. And then let's search for the Astra. So now here, as you can see, we can now directly install the plugins for free for all these plugins. So before, when we check this one, we can make use of this plugin for free, but it requires us to upgrade our plan to pro plan. But here, you can directly install it. So now let me install the starter templates. And once done, then I will click on activate. So as you can see here, a new plugin has been added. And now let's click on See Library. And here you can see a short guide video to start with this plugin, but I will just go ahead and skip it. So let's now select our page builder. So I will go ahead and select Elementor so that we can have a lot of amazing free designs and edit our website more easier and faster. So let me choose the templates here, and I like this. And then first we need to upload our own logo. So you can upload it here and it will display over here. So let me just skip this. Then you can also set up your font color here. Let's continue. Then tell a little bit about yourself and then wait for the setup to finish. And with that, we successfully build our site and then just hit view website. So this is the website now. It looked much better compared to the website that I showed you before. And we can edit it here. Then you can just choose edit with Elementor. So as you can see here, you can have now the Elementor editor and it's so much better compared to this WordPress editor. So that's how you can use and get the Elementor and Astra for free for your WordPress website. So I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, just comment down below and thank you for watching.